It's Dave from Blackbird Cycles. My grandson has sold his dirt bike to buy a tractor. And it's a good running little tractor. And he wants to pretty it up, so I'm going to teach him how to paint a tractor. Somebody's already got a head start and started priming some stuff on it. What year is this, Balin?
1950.
What?
1950.
1950 Farmall. Why don't you go start it for everybody? Got a little bit of smoke when you start it up for a 1950, but man, she runs good. He lives about 5 miles from here. He rode it all the way over here. And we're gonna pretty it up. Put the Blackbird touch on it. He's got paint ready and the whole 9 yards. You can shut it off. Shut it off. Good running little tractor. Good running tractor. Starts right up. What'd you get for this, Balin?
$1,200.
$1,200. 1950 International Farmall. And we're gonna pretty it up. He's gonna try to triple his money on it and buy a bigger tractor. Because that's what we do in the country. Buy tractors and other stupid crap like jet skis and motorcycles and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, Balin is taking off the radiator cover and he gets that unbolted. We're gonna get the radiator cover off and sand it down nice, fix the front emblem, get the top cover, engine cover off, and the tank off, and we're gonna paint those. And then we're going to paint the rest of the tractor. And it's going to be Farmall red. Y'all stay tuned. This ought to be loose enough.
You got a pair of gloves?
Why?
It's hot.
A little bit. Yeah. Get the keys to the garage. We'll get some welding gloves. Take the other 2 bolts out. Let it cool a little bit. We'll get this down and have a naked tractor tonight, maybe. While it's naked, we might pressure wash everything and scuff a bunch of stuff down and shoot everything red that's underneath this top and cover. Good thing about it, it's gonna be all red, so won't have to mask much off.
Just where it's got to be white through there.
We'll paint it on after it's red. Got to get it red first. Then I'll cut a stencil. You putting Farmall back on, or are you putting Redneck Cadillac?
If this hood wasn't a 3-piece, it'd be red, white, and blue.
Oh, yeah?
But it's a 3-piece, and that would have been tough.
I'll say we put Redneck Cadillac on the side. Got the muffler loosened up. He's got to pull the cap here. Got the front Loosen it up. Got the hood released. Got all the bolts out of the front. We're gonna put the muffler and the cap back on. Okay, well, pull your parts over there by the paint booth and we'll sand those tomorrow.